Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we discuss about what are structures, union, enums in C++. Before moving to the video, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. Without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, we discuss about what is structures in C++. Structure, also called structs, are a way to group several related variables into one place. Each variable in the structure is known as a member of the structure. Basically, structures are used to group several variables into one place, and each variable in the structure is known as member of the structure. Let's do example to master structure in C++. Create a new file, cout.scene.cpp. Type header file has include IOStream using namespace std int main return 0. Now we discuss about the syntax of structure in C++. First of all, you have to type struct outside the main function. This is the code snippet of struct. After struct, you have to give name of the structure. I will give contact, and inside the curly braces you have to type data. For example, the variables you want to store are listed here, like string name semicolon. It stored the name of person. Int phone, it will store the phone number. String message. Now initialize the values of these variables. Inside the main function struct contact, I will type Krish. Okay. Now declare the values of these variables. Type Krish dot name is equals to double inverted comma because we are declaring a string. Int phone Krish dot phone is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Krish dot message, like and subscribe. After that we print these values. We have to type cout name Krish dot name semicolon, cout phone number Krish dot phone handle semicolon, cout message Krish dot message handle semicolon. Printing the values. Declaration of variables and initialization the values of variable. After that, run the program. So you can see that name is Krish, phone number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, message, like, subscribe. Okay, so this is the example of structures in C++. Now discuss about what is union in C++. Union is a user-defined data type in C++ which store a collection of different kind of data just like structure. Basically, union is a user-defined data type in C++ which is used to store different kind of data like structure. Let's do some example to master union in C++. Create a new file, union.cpp. Type header file has include IOStream using namespace std int main function return 0. Type union outside the main function. Then you can see that code snippet of union is here. Click on it, then you can see that union and the name of union. I will give xyz, and inside the union I will type int a semicolon char c semicolon. I will type union xyz and a1 semicolon. a1 dot a is equals to 10 semicolon. Now print the value of union. Cout a1 dot a semicolon and run the program. Then you can see that 10 is printed in the terminal. Union provide you a better memory management. It means that if you are using union, then you can access only one variable of union. For example, we declare a1 dot a is equals to 10 and a1 dot c is equals to a semicolon, and after I will run the program, then you can see that the value of A is 97. This is the garbage value of A. If I will print C, then you can see that A is printed in the terminal. This is because union provide you a better memory management, so it will happen. Now we discuss about what is enum in C++. Enumeration or enum is a user defined data type in C++. It is mainly used to assign the name to integral constants. The name makes a program easy to read and maintain. Basically, enum is a user defined data type in C++. It is used to assign names to constants, and names make the program easy to read and maintain. Let's do some example to master enum in C++. Create a new file, enum.cpp, has include iostream using namespace std, int main function, return 0. Type enum and the name of enum. I will give xyz and curly braces. Inside the curly braces, I will give a, b, c, d, and then semicolon. If I will type cout a semicolon and run the program, then you can see that 0 is printed in the terminal. It is because if you want to give the initial values to a variable, then you can use enum. If I will type b, c, d and run the program, then you can see that 0, 1, 2, 3 is printed in the terminal. So enum is used for this purpose. In this video we discuss about structures, union in C++, enum in C++. I will give the link of these source code in the description box. If you have any doubt, do comment on this video. I will solve your doubt. You can also join my Telegram coding discussion channel. Link is given in the description box. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Still you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.